Hi beauties, so in today's video I'm going to be reviewing one of the items from the new e.l.f. Jelly Pop collection, and it is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Water Gel Moisturizer, and the packaging is beautiful. If you follow me on Instagram, I recently told you that I got a whole bunch of things from the collection. You can see right here. So those in a separate video. So this again is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Water Gel Moisturizer. So we're gonna see how does it feel for oily skin, how is it gonna look for oily skin, and I just really love the packaging, like the whole line. It's super cute. It does retail for $8. This is a 2.7 ounce. It's a really nice amount, and this is cruelty free and vegan. So before we try this on, new welcome, my name is Jen, Jenz BeautyStyle, and let's go ahead and get started. Also, I want to mention that I did pick it up as well, not only because of the packaging, but because it says is a gel moisturizer, and if we're oily, we usually tend to go for gel moisturizer. It's just better than the lotion. So it says this watermelon and castor oil infused moisturizing gel has a unique gel to liquid texture, allowing for a quick absorption into the skin for a boost of instant hydration. Perfect for under makeup or alone. Ingredients, it says watermelon extract and castor oil. There's more ingredients here. I can put a picture here so you can see. Let's go ahead and open this up. And it's cute. Here it says, don't mess with my skincare. I do have a video of a full face of only e.l.f. makeup. And I do love that it comes with a pump. That's already a plus. Again, this is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Water Gel Moisturizer. And let's try to put a pump here. Let's see if it's like really runny or if it's... Alright. Can we smell it? It smells nice. I don't think it's like, oh my god, it smells so empowering. Like if you're super sensitive, really have to like sniff up close to like get it, but it's scented. I mean, oh, that feels weird. Can you see that? I really don't know how to describe it, but see, you should always do like a patch first before you put anything on your face because you don't know how you're gonna react. Right now, I don't feel like any stinging, any burning, or anything like that. You definitely smell the watermelon. I want to see like if it feels oily or anything. No, not right now, but let's go ahead and apply it on the face so we can see. I'm gonna do like what, 2 pumps maybe. I was reading some reviews and I don't think like people with like dry skin, I don't think they like it. I think they're saying like it's not moisturizing enough. I have to see for oily skin. Alright, so I'm just gonna apply that. It feels very lightweight, which I love. That's why it's a water gel. I love water gel moisturizers. I'm just paying close attention to see if I feel anything weird. I can totally see why if you have dry skin you wouldn't like this. I just want to see how it dries. If it's gonna feel like super sticky, how long does it take to dry? Water gel, so it's not gonna be super intense, like super hydrating. No. Oh, I feel something. I feel something like around here. I don't know what it could be, but a little like burning. Not too much like, oh my god, I have to wipe this up, but I have to tell you if I feel something, and I do, like around here. Be careful if you're sensitive. Just let that dry. I do like that I don't look oily at all. I did feel like a sensation here. I'm just looking to see if it's making me red anywhere. If you're looking for a lot of moisture, this is not it. Like, not it. You can never expect that like from a water gel. I wouldn't expect something super hydrating from a water gel. So I really like this. I think it does feel like a little cooling. Sensation is going away. I don't really feel it. I do get that sometimes with some products, but it really doesn't last, I guess. I don't know, like in the beginning. I don't feel sticky. I feel like it's already pretty dry. It does look a little weird when you like pump it out. Not like in chunks, but can you see that? I like it for oily skin. I really do like it. It does feel like how any other water gel that I've tried has felt. I don't think the scent is super intense, like, oh my god, I smell it on my face. Like, I don't smell it anymore. You have a nice little glow, but nothing like, oh my god, you look so shiny. So read the ingredients if you're like super sensitive. For $8, I think this is really good. I'll be testing out these others in other videos. This is the Peach Pop Blush, the Creamsicle Face and Eye Gloss. Don't forget to subscribe and click the little notification bell. That way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.